It is Thursday, February 27th, 2025. I'm meteorologist Dylan Robichaud, and on Tuesday, March 4th, we are already tracking our first potential tornado outbreak for 2025. Right now, you are looking at the severe weather outlook put out by the Storm Prediction Center for Tuesday. Whenever your day 4 or day 5 outlook is already in that 30% contour, you know that there's a high probability of really bad weather happening. So, Shreveport, Jackson, Mississippi, Tyler, Texas, Longview, Texas, Tallulah, parts of even Jackson, Mississippi are all going to be part of this here. So, again, this is going to be for next Tuesday. Take a look at the setup. I mean, this is going to be a classic Colorado low, okay? East of the Rockies, you get that spinning motion, that upper level low. And then check this out. We've got the perfect setup. East of the dry line in Texas, you got warm, moist air coming in from the Gulf, okay? So we have all these ingredients coming together. As we look at the upper level jet stream, this is all fueled by a strong jet streak. And here's a look. So to the north, we got your polar jet. To the south, we have your subtropical jet. And what happens here is that we get this jet streak that happens Monday night. Take a look at how powerful these jet stream winds are going to be. As we head towards Monday night, to the east of that jet streak, you have the winds diverging. We call that divergence. And that's where you get that rising motion in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Now, where do all these ingredients come together? Where these ingredients come together will be the perfect storm. All right, and that happens sometime late Tuesday morning going into Tuesday afternoon. And this supercell composite is going to pull together your 4 severe weather parameters that we look for: shear, instability, lift, moisture. Again, all that coming together in one spot. Right now, Louisiana, southern Arkansas, East Texas, and western Mississippi are going to be in line for some severe weather. As we get a look here at the hour by hour, and again, folks, we are on day 5. We all know how these medium to long range computer models are. You and I both know this can change and this will change. So please take this with a grain of salt. But you'll notice that as we head into Tuesday, this is going to be around lunchtime on Tuesday, we start getting severe weather across parts of Arkansas and Louisiana. And then that will become a bit more pronounced heading into Tuesday night. And then this is going to be around midnight on Wednesday morning. Look at that, Jackson, Mississippi. We're talking a line segment of severe weather heading in your direction. Our GFS model, again, similar. The resolution's not as great, but both the GFS and Euro are pretty congruent on timing, which is late Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, going into Tuesday night. This is going to be just after lunchtime on Tuesday, and take a look at that. Yeah, that's going to be pretty nasty here moving into parts of Mississippi. So like I said, the 4 things that we look for: wind shear, lift, instability, and moisture. Wind shear is when winds change direction and or speed with height. You can see that right here. We have a light wind from the south, then eventually the wind will be from the southwest at, like 70 knots, 70 miles per hour as we head up to 500 millibars. You have a lot of instability, which is because you have that warm front, which is going to be moving up and over that cold air, and so we have some overrunning. That's going to create a lot of instability. You have a lift produced by that front, and then you have moisture because you're right near the Gulf. So all these ingredients are still coming together. Now, I don't want to hype this up and give it more credibility than it needs, but I just want you to be prepared and keep an eye to the sky, keep on coming back for forecast updates, and I'll be sure to post a video once we get some brand new model data.